Kitchen from Scotland. This weekend, I would like to show you how to cook the simple and easy Thai food. It's called crispy pork belly with fish sauce. This is a popular dish as well, and it's very easy to cook. It's only use 3 ingredients, and you can have it as a snack, or you can have it with rice or noodles. So let me show you how to cook it and what the ingredients are. Let's start! Thus, we're going to make delicious crispy pork belly with fish sauce. We're going to use 400 grams of pork belly slices, half a teaspoon of peppers, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, half a cup of flour, and 2 tablespoons of water. That is all we need to use. So let's start. So now we will have to put the pork belly. We place the pork belly slices into a bowl. Mixing bowl, and add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of peppers, I will just take 1.5 tablespoon of water first. And then you mix them all together well. Mix them well first. And then you will leave it like this, marinate for half an hour in the refrigerator. After it's been in the refrigerator for half an hour, then we will add flour into it. We try 2 tablespoons first, 3 tablespoons. We mix them. Make sure all the berry gets covered with flour. of the cooking oil and place it in the wok in the frying pan. Now we place the pork belly which we have soaked with the flour into the frying pan. Medium heat will do, not too high, because we want it to cook slow and get crispy. Until it's turned into the golden brown color. It's time to serve. Crispy pork bellies with fish sauce. It only takes about 10 to 20 minutes to cook. I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you will manage to cook it by yourself after you watch my videos. Thank you for watching. Please click like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, jirasthaikitchen. See you next time.